So you think you know Zanzibar, huh? Beaches, sunshine, turquoise water, but beneath the surface, past those postcard-perfect beaches, lies a different Zanzibar. A place where the air hangs thick with the scent of cloves and spices, where ancient rhythms echo through bustling markets. This is about peeling back the layers, about finding those hidden gems that most tourists never even dream of discovering. In this video, we're going to take you off the beaten path, beyond the resorts and the tourist traps, to discover the heart and soul of this extraordinary island. Get ready to have your senses ignited and your perceptions challenged. This is Zanzibar, unfiltered and unforgettable. Let's go. Forget the crowds and the thumping beach bars of Kiwengwa. Nestled on the northern tip of the island, Nungwi Beach is a slice of paradise that feels worlds away from the tourist hordes. This is where the fishermen haul in their catch at dawn, their silhouettes painted against the rising sun. The sand here is like powdered sugar, blindingly white against the turquoise water. As the sun begins its descent, grab a cold beer from one of the local beach shacks. The air will fill with the aroma of grilled seafood, the catch of the day sizzling over open flames. This is Nungwi Beach. Hold on to your senses, folks, because we're about to dive headfirst into the beating heart of Zanzibar city. Darajani Market is not for the faint of heart. The air hangs heavy with the scent of spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, a heady aroma that transports you back in time. Weave your way through the labyrinthine alleys, past vendors hawking everything from colourful fabrics to fresh produce. You might stumble upon a craftsman carving intricate designs into ebony wood, or a woman grinding spices by hand. And when your stomach starts to rumble, follow your nose to one of the food stalls. Here, you'll find steaming bowls of Euroho, a hearty soup made with meat, potatoes, and a blend of spices. Music, my friends, is the universal language. Tucked away in the back streets of Stone Town, the Dhow country's music academy is a hidden gem that celebrates the rich musical heritage of this island nation. Step inside and you'll be greeted by the sound of music, the rhythmic beat of drums, the melodic strains of the oud, the soulful voices of singers. It's impossible not to be swept away by the energy and passion of the musicians. Stone Town. Forget your map, forget your itinerary. The best way to experience Stone Town is to simply get lost in its labyrinthine streets. Let your curiosity be your guide as you wander through the maze of alleyways, past ancient mosques and crumbling palaces. As the sun begins to set, casting long shadows across the rooftops, make your way to the waterfront. We're venturing off the beaten path now, folks, to a place few tourists ever get to see. Hidden away on the eastern coast of the island, the Kiwengwa caves are a testament to the raw, untamed beauty of Zanzibar. Descend into the cool darkness of the caves, your footsteps echoing off the damp stone walls. The air is thick with the smell of earth and water, a reminder that you are entering a sacred space. Take a moment to appreciate the sheer beauty of this hidden oasis. So there you have it. 5 hidden gems that offer a glimpse into the real Zanzibar. From the tranquil beauty of Nungwi Beach to the sensory overload of Darajani Market, Zanzibar is an island that rewards those who venture beyond the surface. So what are you waiting for? Book that ticket, pack your bags, and get ready to discover the Zanzibar that most tourists never see. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tales and off-the-beaten-path adventures.